This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com doing a training coaching video for everybody. I think it's really important to study past great winners. By so doing, you will focus your eyes and train your mind on what to look for. It's so important to do this. Where did I learn this from? Well, if you've read Bill O'Neill's book, How to Make Money in Stocks, he talks about study past great winners. All great investors do that. They've done that. They continue doing it. Continuing education. We do the same thing. Right here, we're taking a look at BABA. By the way, this stock started to make a good move. And am I saying this is going to be a big winner? No, that's forecasting, which is another lesson. We don't forecast. Nobody knows the future. Nobody. All we can do is look at the past, study historical charts, because they transfer into current activity today. And people can say, Patrick, how can you say that? One of my degrees is in psychology. Please think about this. Charts are a reflection of human emotions. Fear, greed, complacency, panic. Charts, price and volume. And I'm telling you, humans, those emotions haven't changed forever. And they won't. That's why we study charts. So we're taking a look at Alibaba. Bill O'Neill, as I said, he said if I could look at only one chart, it would be the weekly. On this template, I have weekly on the left, daily on the right. This is what we were looking at last weekend, a week ago. You can say, oh, look at this. This thing went up on heavy volume and then pulled back a couple of weeks on decreasing volume. But look at how it closed last week. Right near the highs. 2 weeks ago, I should say now, okay? Closed right near the highs. Here's the daily chart. Same price, closing right at the highs. Simple downward sloping trend line right here on this chart. Simple downward sloping trend line highs. And it's a cup and a handle. Kind of has a handle formation right here. All right? Advance this one bar. This is Monday. Monday of this week, this past week. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Folks, they voted. Look at the volume surge on this stock. The week before, on Friday, it did 10.5 million shares. 19.2 million shares, almost twice as much as the previous day. And it lifts off. Advance it a day. And it goes higher. Isn't that sweet? People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. By Jove, they voted. And it goes higher. Again, I'm doing the daily first. Inside day right there. Now here's the weekly. Here we go. $200. Now you can see how the patterns play out. This is a max list stock. I'll show you something here. Right there. Mission Winners Max List. I put this list together with a few alterations and have had this list together for some of these, good Lord, 14, 15 years. They're my go-to list, okay? Now you can say, oh, Patrick, you're lying. Some of these stocks didn't exist. I agree. You make changes, but there's been stalwarts on this list for a long time, like this one, this one. They've been on there a while. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you, the Max List. I love that list. But right here is a great lesson for everybody. What's the moral? Focus on clean patterns. Look at both the daily and the weekly chart. It will help you dramatically. Are we still in this? You bet we are. You bet. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. And again, it's not bragging. That's lame. That's immature. It's teaching. It's coaching. It's instructing. Hopefully inspiring on what to look for and what you can do with the brains God gave you to find ways to succeed in the market. And it's what we do and it's what we teach. And I hope it helps you. That's my goal. And I thank you.